Hello my friends, it's Rob here and welcome to this first look at our new track layout. But I think first we'll just remind you of the old track once we get round to the start finish straight. Here we come now. So we start off with the start finish straight, we head into a right hander around the big tree, then into a hairpin, into a series of S's, through another right hander, down to another right hander and back to the start. And so we've come on to what's going to be the new track. I'll talk you through the layout once we get back round to the start finish straight, but as you can see the grass has grown back quite a lot over the years, and if we stop the footage, the interesting thing here is where that yellow broom handle is, there used to be a tree there which I hadn't even noticed had gone until editing this video. Okay, so let's get this lap underway. And we start on the old start finish straight and go tearing down past the turn-in point from the old track down to a really small thin tree, do a hairpin round that, back onto the old track with the old S's if you get it right like I didn't there, down into the inner track, crashing on the way to the broomstick turn, and then another hairpin right hander back onto the start finish straight. And with that I'll leave you with some other footage that we shot at the same time. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this, and as always look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers, bye. 3, 2, 1, go. It just spins out. That's about half throttle. Oh! 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 Oh, what am I doing? Oh! Ah! Oh, that's how you find it. Oh, up the tree. So we're ready again. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'm all over the place. I'm keeping it flat out. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, it's not turning at all now. Oh.